Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about Ghibli AI, the latest buzzword in the market, and of course, the agentic AI. You have probably seen your entire social media feed flooded with these hand drawn images, animations. People are taking their everyday photos and turning them into stunning Ghibli style artworks you have seen in so many YouTube videos, right? So it's like stepping into Miyazaki film. So it's a legacy you are now enjoying. But as jaw dropping as these trends are, it's just another example of how AI can mimic human creativity. What if I told you that something much bigger is happening in AI right now? And it goes way beyond just pretty pictures. Generative AI is everywhere. It's not just art. We have got AI generated music, deepfakes, videos, AI written novels, and content every day you are generating, right? You are using ChatGPT and even Grok, or even you are using Copilot for your code and all, right? So we have so many generative AI tools available. So you name it, it's creating it. So these models powered by large language model LLMs. Right? LLMs are like supercharged pattern recognizers. They analyze existing content, understand its structure, and create something new based on it. Like sound pretty smart, right? Well, here's the catch: they don't actually think. You don't set their own goals. They don't decide what to create next. They just wait for a prompt. When I say prompt, it's a human instruction you pass most of the time, right? You give some input and your input, and there's a prompt defined. So based of this combination, they generate a response. That's it. No real time initiative, no awareness, and no decision making at all. So it is impressive, but still passive. Interesting something new that can think beyond that. So that's why, as cool as Ghibli AI, it is still just a tool, a really fun tool, but a tool. Now, the bigger question is, what if AI didn't just create? What if it could take action? Now, let's take things to next level. Imagine an AI that doesn't just sit around waiting for your prompts, but actually take initiatives. This is agentic AI. It is focused on decisions as opposed to creating the actual new content, and doesn't actually rely on human prompts. Furthermore, agentic AI takes autonomous capabilities to next level by using digital ecosystem. When I say digital ecosystem, I mean large language models, machine learnings, and natural language processing (NLPs) to perform autonomous tasks on behalf of users and systems. Objective of agentic AI and generative AI are different, and that makes them unique from one another. Unlike LLMs, agentic AI doesn't just respond, it acts. It can set and pursue goals autonomously. It analyzes data to make decisions and then adapt in real time. Learn from past experience to improve its actions. This is how we do in our daily life. Like we learn and then we implement. Think about it. Right now, you are using AI tools to assist you. But what if AI could actually do things for you? Imagine you need to book a trip instead of you searching for flights, checking hotels and reading reviews, ratings, and a lot of things like price and all. An agentic AI travel assistant would find flights for you based on your past preferences, will check real time weather and suggest the best dates, book your hotel, and even pre arrange your itinerary. It didn't stop here. Next time, it will remember what you liked and disliked and plan even better. This isn't just AI generated content, this is AI taking action. So let's see a bit like how agentic agent architecture will look like. So you can say on a high level there are three types like single agent architecture and then multi-agent architecture. Then you can say the hybrid one. So hybrid one actually part of multi-agent architecture. So single when I say single agent architecture, it means you are having one agent and that is doing your job. Like for example, chatbot is responsible for generating your output and it doing all the processing using single agent. But when I say multi-agent architecture, you can say it is kind of two types. One is vertical, then horizontal. Then you can say hybrid too. So in vertical, the one is the leader who's responsible for making decisions, and in horizontal, it's like distributed. And like for example, you have multiple agents, and one is doing NLP processing, another one is doing API call to do some processing. Like for example, creating some tickets and all. Then you are using some RAG architecture as well. So you are interacting with RAG, and that is doing connecting with your vector database and fetching some information from there and processing it. Then you are taking decision in the next agent based on your previous output. So this is how you can have vertical and horizontal scaling. So multi-agent systems are more flexible. One agent might be used in many scenarios, like as we discussed, NLP or could be a tool. So there are many multi-agent frameworks are available in the market, such as QAI.